This is our HK17 sifter with the spring mounts and the compression spring. These are also wear points that you might notice after months of operation. Visual inspection will be needed for wear on the springs and the spring mounts. You will notice the springs being somewhat crooked, and the spring mounts, there could be chips out of them, or the spring will wear into the rubber mount. For the springs, we have a new spring and a used spring. You can see how that's kind of out around. You have a new spring. That's definitely time to replace the spring. On the rubber mounts, you'll see this one here had some wear here from some reason at the customer's facility, and then it's replaced with a new one.